Namaste, hello and welcome back to our series of lessons on nouns. My name is Sharmila and in this lesson we are going to learn about some not so common irregular nouns. To make the plural of an English word, you add an s, es or ves, right? Well, sometimes. But do you know, English has a lot of irregular plurals, maybe more than any other language. There are not much rules or patterns to be followed, so at times it has to be memorized. Basically, English has borrowed words from languages like French, German, Latin, Greek. So here is a list of irregular plurals which are not commonly used in day-to-day conversation, but it will add to your knowledge of singular and plural nouns. So, are you ready? Nouns ending in singular us can be made plural by changing us to I, as in bacillus, bacilli, focus, foci, nucleus, nuclei, fungus, fungi, hippopotamus, hippopotami or hippopotamuses, octopus, octopi or octopuses, stimulus, stimuli, stylus, styli, syllabus, syllabi, terminus, termini or terminuses, virus, viri or viruses, radius, radii. Sometimes you can also say radiuses, cactus, cacti or cactuses, alumnus, alumni. A special note here about alumni. Alumni is a Latin word. Alumni is the plural of alumna and alumnus. Alumna means a female graduate. Alumnus is a male graduate. The plural of both alumna and alumnus is alumni. Moving on to the next set, nouns with is ending can be made plural by changing is to es. Neurosis, neuroses, diagnosis, diagnoses, emphasis, emphases, basis, bases, analysis, analyses, crisis, crises, iris, irises, theses, theses, oasis, oases. Now, these Greek words can be made plural by changing on to a. Phenomenon, phenomena, criterion, criteria. Next, words ending in shed their and replace it with a to form a plural. Addendum, addenda, aquarium, aquaria, forum, fora or forums, millennium, millennia, medium, media, ovum, ova, spectrum, spectra, datum, data, or you can also say data. Memorandum, memoranda, bacterium, bacteria, stratum, strata, curriculum, curricula, also curriculums. Moving on, nouns ending in ix or ex are changed to ICES or XES. Matrix, matrices, reflex, reflexes, index, indices, appendix, appendices, vortex, vortices. Though these words are not commonly used in day-to-day conversation, it will surely add to your knowledge of singular and plural nouns. Hope you found this video useful. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day. Meet you again in my next video on collective nouns. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.